12 persons were charged for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act in Portmore. Twelve persons were charged for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act in Portmore, St. Catherine on Sunday. Reports were that they were on a patrol in NAGGO'S and Southborough community in Portmore sometimes after 8 p.m. on Sunday when the alleged breaches were detected, leading to the arrest. As announced by the government, the nightly island-wide curfew has been tightened for the Labor Day holiday period. The Prime Minister and Your Holiness made the announcement recently during an update to the nation on the coronavirus COVID-19, stating that the nightly curfew, which currently runs from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m., was adjusted for Sunday, May 24, and Labor Day, Monday, May 25. On Sunday, the curfew ran from 3 p.m. to 8 a.m. on Monday, May 25. On Labor Day, Monday 25, the hours of the curfew will run from 3 p.m. to 5 a.m. on Tuesday, May 26. Thereafter, the nightly curfew will run from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. from May 26 through to May 31. The persons were arrested and charged on Sunday. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.